Hello, today we're going to solve linked list circles, Leetcode 141. Basically, this question is saying that we have a linked list and we should determine whether there's a circle in it or not. So we have a linked list that starts from 3, goes to 2, goes to 0, goes to -4, and then it comes all the way back here, right? So the algorithm for finding whether the circle exists in a linked list is just using the fast and slow pointer approach, right? So we have a fast and then we have a slow pointer, right? The slow just moves one at a time and then the fast will move twice, right? So the fast moves twice. Now the slow will come back here again. The slow moves here, the fast will jump too. So the fast will now jump, boom, boom, right? Now slow goes here, fast moves twice, 1, 2. At some point, both slow and fast will be equal. So slow will be equal to fast. Both of them will be at the same point, right? So that is the basic approach or the design or algorithm for solving how to detect a circular, right? When you determine that slow, at any point in time, slow is equal to fast, then there is a circle. But if you do, that doesn't happen, and you run to the end, then there is no circle, right? So let's go and see how we can write this. First of all, if it's not a linked list or not head.next, return false. So if it's not a linked list at all, or it's just one, then there's no circle, right? There's no need to worry ourselves. So we return false. Now we set slow, our slow pointer, and our fast pointer. So while fast and fast dot next, slow will be equal to slow dot next, and fast will be moving 2 steps ahead, right? So that will be equal to fast dot next dot next. If at any point slow becomes equal to fast, return true, else return false. So this is how you solve how to detect circles in a linked list, right? Yep, and this is an O of n solution, time complexity, and O of 1 space complexity. Yep, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.